Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, January 29th, 2021. It is Fun Fact Friday. Did you know that potatoes were the first food to be grown in space? In 1996, potato plants were taken into space with the Space Shuttle Columbia. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we have cereal and yogurt, and tomorrow for lunch we have corn dog and fries. Monday it will be a surprise what we have for breakfast and for lunch. Today's birthdays are Jelani Crawford and Keelan Parker, and this weekend we have one birthday, Natasha Jefferson. We have a few announcements for the teachers. Please make sure that you have read your email from Ms. Linscomb, the Friday Focus. Lots of important info stuffed in there. Lots of good, important things we all need to know. We are going to have Battling for Madeline. As many of you already know, we will be supporting one of Shepherd's students in her fight with childhood cancer. On February 5th, we will participate in an out-of-uniform day for at least a $1 donation. Faculty and staff may wear jeans for at least a $5 donation. All proceeds will go directly to Maddie's family. Flowers will go home with the students on Monday, February 1st. So heads up to the students. We're going to have this fundraiser for one of our own students to help them out. And finally, teachers, remember to go into iNow and change the mode of learning if your students switch from face-to-face back to remote and vice versa. You should check all your students and make sure they have the correct designation under where they are getting their learning. Important dates. We have lots of important dates coming up. This week, we have had our iReady Diagnostic 2 testing window. It is closing today, so we've got to get all those diagnostic tests finished up today to show what we know and celebrate all the great progress we've made this year. February 1st is going to be our 3rd grade ACAP training for the teachers. February 3rd, we have ACAP PD during extended PE. February 4th, we have ACAP tutoring beginning after school. February 5th is our Battling for Madeline fundraiser. February 8th, we have 4th and 5th grade ACAP training. February 9th, we have honors presentations for all of our classrooms to celebrate our Shepherd Scholars and all the great things they've done. February 10th, we have grade level planning during extended PE. February 15th through 17th, we have the Mardi Gras break, so we have a little bit of time out of school. February 18th, we have iReady PD during our extended PE time. February 24th, we have PST during extended PE, and February 25th is Spring Picture Day. We want to give a shout out to Miss B. She is one of the student teachers that is down on 3rd grade with our 3rd grade teachers, and she is awesome. We want to give a shout out to her. She jumped in 1st grade yesterday and did an awesome job helping in Miss Hogan's classroom. Huge thank you to Miss B. We could not have made it through the day without you. That's all for today's news. I hope you have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd, and have a great weekend.